Hey, most Amazon Finds videos is just someone reading specs off a page. That's not this. Everything you're about to see saves you time, saves you money, or makes your day noticeably better. Some under 20 bucks, some will change how you do things permanently. 10 picks? Let's go. Quick question. When did you last actually clean inside your keyboard, your PC fans, your car vents? If the answer is, I use canned air sometimes, you're wasting money. This thing spins at 150,000 RPM, pushes air at 45 meters per second. A can of compressed air lasts maybe 30 seconds before it gets cold and useless. This runs for 100 minutes on one charge. 3 speed settings, 5 nozzles, 2 brushes, USB-C charging, full in 2.5 hours, rated for 500 plus uses. Once you try this, canned air feels like washing dishes with a paper towel. Link is right below. One wrong tool on a tiny screw and the repair is dead. The E1 Max was built for the small stuff. Phones, watches, cameras, laptops, drones. 2 torque settings. 0.05 Newton meters for watches and glasses, 0.2 Newton meters for laptops and speakers, 50 bits, 12 types, all S2 hardened steel, magnetic case with a spring mechanism that opens clean every single time, 4 LED lights built in, handles 400 screws per charge. If you fix your own stuff, this is the tool. Link is right below. This one replaced 2 tools for me. 9.8-foot physical tape for tight spaces and furniture, plus 165-foot laser for rooms and open walls. Both measurements show at the same time on a real IPS screen. 500 nits, readable in direct sunlight, measures distance, area, and volume. 6 unit options, angle sensor accurate to within 1 degree, 30 stored measurements, USB-C rechargeable. Accuracy is plus or minus 1/8 an inch on the laser. That's professional grade. Use it once, you'll wonder what you were doing before. Link is right below. I didn't think I needed this until I had one. Pocket-sized, wireless, connects to your phone in seconds. No ink, no toner. Thermal printing at 203 dpi, sharp and clean every time. The app has 90 plus fonts, QR codes, barcodes, custom images, timestamps, built-in rechargeable battery, pantry, storage bins, cables, files, school stuff. People who get one of these label absolutely everything in their house. It's a documented phenomenon. Link below. Most humble product on the list, probably the one you use the most. You know the situation. Jar won't open, you're twisting with everything you've got, your hand hurts, and you hand it to someone else. Completely unnecessary. This grips lids from 1 inch up to 5 inches, condiment caps to large mason jars, everything in between. Stainless steel, rust-proof, dishwasher safe, flat enough to slide into any kitchen drawer. Small problem, permanent fix. Link is right below. This one is the pick where I say it's fun, you think that's a gimmick, and then 6 months later you see it in someone's kitchen and you finally buy one. Freeze the base for 24 hours, add your ingredients, press the button, fresh ice cream in 20 minutes. The mug is the bowl, you eat straight from it. Built-in ingredient chute for mix-ins while it's turning. Ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, keto-friendly, dairy-free, options, recipe guide included. Everything stores inside the mug. It's a $20 luxury that turns into a weekly ritual. Link below. If you spend any time outside in the cold, this is not optional anymore. Magnetic pair, thinner than your phone, 65 grams each. They fit inside gloves. 5 seconds to heat up, 3 settings up to 126 degrees. 4 to 8 hours battery life, USB-C charging, UL certified, actual third-party safety testing. Golfers, hunters, dog walkers, cold Saturday sidelines. Honestly, even just for freezing hands at your desk, this belongs in your coat from October to March. Link is right below. For the golfers, and there are more of you watching this than you think, most casual golfers are guessing yardage. Guessing yardage means wrong club means wrong shot means frustration. This fixes that.
reads up to 800 yards, 6 times magnification, anti-shake technology, locks onto the flagstick and vibrates to confirm. Slope mode adjusts your yardage for elevation automatically. That uphill 160-yard shot might actually play like 172. Now you know. Physical slope toggle. Red light means it's on. No menu diving. Compared directly to Bushnell and Garmin at a fraction of the price. For casual to mid-handicap golfers, this is a no-brainer. Link below. This one surprises people every single time. 20 times magnification, size of a keychain, LED light for standard viewing, UV light for detecting fluorescence, currency checks, material inspection, sneaker authentication. Smooth focus wear, clips to your keychain or bag strap, lifetime warranty from Carson, a company that's been making optics for over 30 years. Field inspectors keep one clipped to their keychain. Parents use it outside with kids. It costs almost nothing, takes up zero space, and shows you a layer of the world you weren't seeing before. Link is right below. Last one, hear me out. If you think better when your hands are busy, a meeting, a long call, a reading session, you already know the frustration. You click pens, you tap, you pick things up and put them down. The Infinity Cube is 8 plastic blocks linked by stainless steel rivets. You flip it and fold it continuously with one hand. Completely silent, fits in any pocket. No batteries, no setup, just pick it up and go. One reviewer used theirs every single day for 2 years, dropped it constantly, said it got smoother over time. That's how you know something is built right. Great for focus, great for anxiety, great for restlessness, or honestly just genuinely satisfying to hold. Link is right below. And that's video 4. 10 products, all linked below. Affiliate links, same price for you, small cut comes back to us. That's what keeps this channel running every week. If you made it this far, hit subscribe. Drop a comment telling us what category you want next. Workshop tools, travel gear, desk setups, anything. We read every single one. New video next week.